Hello, welcome to this short introductory video on corporate and IT governance, a 5-day workshop brought to you by Infoport Technology. My name is Dr. Peter Tobin and I'll be the workshop facilitator. I have a number of years' experience in corporate governance, both as an academic, as a consultant and as a practitioner. Alongside that, I have extensive experience in IT governance. I've played on both sides of the fence, if you like. I was working in the IT industry for nearly 20 years and working for one of the world's biggest international systems and software development and hardware supplier corporations, and later I moved to being a practicing IT manager, IT executive in a startup business. Over the time that I was working both as a supplier and as a customer, I learned a lot about IT governance and the practical issues involved in making sure that corporate and IT governance work closely together to deliver value to organizations. Now, during the 5-day workshop, we'll have an opportunity to have a look at some world-class models, frameworks and standards which can be used in organizations to help to advance the objectives of good corporate governance and at the same time look at how IT governance can fit into the bigger picture. We'll have an opportunity to have some very practical sessions looking at assessments involved in how corporate governance is performing in the organization. What can we do to make sure that the governing body, more often referred to before King 4 as the Board of Directors, how that governing body is going to be able to fulfill its roles and responsibilities, and at the same time look at how IT governance and the expectations there are in King 4 can be translated into practical operational steps that an organization can take to make sure that IT, information and communication technology, ICT, is performing in the way that the organization wants. I was an academic for more than a dozen years and delivered over 100 academic programs, and have also been involved in some 150 or so public workshops and seminars. So I've got a lot of experience of working in the adult education environment, treating people in a way in which they would expect in terms of making the workshop interesting, dynamic, participative, and at the same time giving opportunity for you as delegates to work together in learning from each other, which is, I think, a very important aspect of adult education. You will have seen, as I've been talking, the details of the organizer, Infoport Technology, the details of the venue, the dates of the workshop, and how to book for the workshop have been shown on the bottom of the screen. I'm looking forward to meeting you and sharing my experience and hearing from you of your experiences, and together I think we're going to have an excellent 5 days looking at corporate and IT governance. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Look forward to meeting you soon. Thanks.